Hey guys, so I've realized that a lot of you cannot access your internet where you are in some parts of Africa, and because of the fact that there's some cable damage, related to the internet connection, which is affecting your internet. So if you realize very well, some Google servers are working very well. So if you type google.com, you will to access a lot of website. I mean, you able to access the Google Console and Google Play Store and any other applications related to Google, including Google Cloud. But if you try to access another website, let's say Amazon.com, you don't seem to as able to access it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create an RDP, a remote desktop connection, so that you can access the you can access any website remotely by using a different country. So we are going to create a virtual machine instance on Google Cloud, and we can give it a name RDP test. You can choose any country out of Africa, like maybe US Central or US West 3C. That's the zone I usually like to. Then you can choose the memory. I'm going to use an 8 gig memory, so I choose a standard 8 gig memory and two virtual core CPU. Then I'm going to choose my boot disk. This is where the important aspect comes in. You want to choose a Windows server, and I'm going to use the latest Windows server, Windows Server 2020 Data Center, and I choose an SSD, and I choose 50 gig because I don't want to do much with it. I just want to browse. So I can also allow HTTP traffic as well, HTTPS traffic. This is an optional, step. So I just create my VM, and so whilst you wait for the VM to be created, you need to have remote desktop connection on your um you know your your PC to be able to access this. So you get an IP address which you copy here and your username. So what you can do is to set your Windows password. You enter your username, then you set your Windows password. You click set here to get access to your Windows password. I'm going to cover that site because I can't give you access to my Windows password. So I'm going to click on. It's going to take some time, actually, about 5 minutes or less, to actually set up the RDP. So you get this error that RDP can't connect um to these reasons for the computer for this reason because it's actually turned off or it's not available. So the computer is now starting. So just wait for it to finish turning on. So that's where you have your external IP address. So I'm going to set my username to get my password. So once you click on set, it's going to generate your password for you. Okay, so I've gotten my password, and you're also going to get your password basically. So once that is all, once you've gotten that, you can now enter your IP address over here, your external IP address to access it. Okay, so I'm going to wait about 1 minute more just to make sure that everything is set up. Okay, so now let me try it again. I'm trying to connect. I think by now the computer should have started. Okay, so it's asking my username and password, and I enter my password and I connect. So you can allow this, and I've now connected to my RDP. I mean to my virtual computer, my Windows virtual computer. So that's basically it. And with this, you are now accessing your PC from US. So you're not going to face any problems related to the internet connections you have in some parts of Africa. So it's actually setting up the PC right now since I just started it. And you can see everything is set up. So that's it for now. You see that I'm able to access any website I want to access.